Currently, it is reported that approximately 884 million people in the world do not have access to clean drinking water which is one of humanity's basic needs. Here at Rowan University, our Engineers Without Borders student chapter has been striving to develop access to basic needs in developing countries across the world.
The mission of EWB at Rowan is to provide basic sustainable needs to developing communities. They could be water distribution, sanitation, civil works, whatever it may be. The added mission of Rowan EWB is to provide that hands-on experience to the students to go into different societies or different cultures and try to use the engineering knowledge to provide basic needs to those communities.
In the spring of 2015, Rowan's EWB team traveled to Valle Verde, Dominican Republic, a community located just miles from the second largest city in the Dominican Republic.
Valle Verde is a small community in the Dominican Republic, and they have no official water supply system. They've done some things on their own, and they currently get water only about every other week, and so we're going to help them get more water of a higher quality.
The community is of about 1,500 people, and currently they're not receiving a good source of water. The water they're using right now is contaminated. The current water pipeline that's going through the community, it's only 2 inches, so most of the community is not receiving water. We're working with the community to give them a good source of water and good access to water.
While on the trip, our team was able to really immerse into the culture and become a part of the community.
While on the trip, we were able to live with and become a part of the community. We ate traditional Dominican food and slept in their homes to better experience a moment in their life. This allowed our team to really gain a better understanding of what our community was dealing with and brought us closer with the community.
Our team set out on this trip to complete many technical tasks and evaluate possible alternative solutions to provide our community with an adequate supply of clean, potable water.
So on the trip, we collected water quality data. So what we did was we looked at things that were like bacteria that were present in the water and just tried to see where the point of contamination was occurring.
On the trip, I worked on developing a full map of the community. This map includes elevations at hundreds of points throughout the community and a detailed schematic of their streets. This map will be very useful when we are designing possible solutions.
While on the trip, we also demonstrated to the community how to properly utilize rainwater catchment. I feel like this demonstration went very well. The community understood exactly how the system worked and how it should be utilized.
During the trip, I worked on analyzing the possibility of a groundwater well. I was able to locate a nearby community which currently has implemented a groundwater well. I also gathered data on the local aquifers. It was determined on this trip that a groundwater well could be a feasible solution, and we are currently working on designing and pricing a system as one possible solution.
While completing our task, we were also able to be a part of many professional meetings. We met with our local non-government organization, Caritas, which we have been working closely with over the duration of this project. Our team also met with local water supply companies as well as with groups within our community, such as the Water Committee. The Water Committee is a group of community members who are very active in seeking a solution to their current water supply and quality issues. Throughout this project, our team has been working closely with the community, Water Committee, and our NGO Caritas. By facilitating town meetings, educational programs, and living in the community, we can best understand their needs and how to develop a sustainable design solution. Lastly, our team puts a strong emphasis on sustainability. We make sure to source local materials from nearby hardware stores and to educate the community on maintenance and the science behind the design. That way, when we're not in the community, they know exactly what to do. We also ran many educational workshops throughout our trip to promote the importance of hygiene and sanitation throughout the community. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.